Doctor, how important is it that when someone goes through IPT that their immune system is not damaged, so they feel better, they're more healthy, maybe have a better appetite, so they can be healthier as they go through the therapy? How important is that?
Well, the more common belief in medicine today, in oncology, is that it's a deficient immune system that permits the patient to develop cancer. We believe that almost all people already have cancer cells in them, but the immune system keeps eating them up, killing them, until after years, even decades,